going to the ballot. Kamalika is joining us from Bengal, and after that we'll go and get you a quick check of the live result hub. Why we believe our numbers will be the most accurate, and this is the only grid that you need to follow. And it's also very easy to interpret and easy to read. I'll take you through that in just a bit. But Kamalika, this last phase, there are many who believe that all that didn't happen in the first 6 phases of Bengal happened in the last phase of Bengal.
Yeah, absolutely. There was full of violence. Generally what happens in Bengal, every phase is a violent phase. But this time till 5th phase, everything seems to be okay and there was no violence. But from the 6th phase, Midnapur and all there, we saw a little bit of violence. But 7th phase, we really saw violence in Sandesh Khali, Bhangar, North 24 Parganas, and even Sandesh Khali is now also in news. Yesterday evening also, there were, the local villagers were saying that there were intimidation. So all eyes are definitely there on the results of Bosirhat. And what is the interesting part in this time 2024 Lok Sabha poll results in Bengal is every party, both the parties, specifically TMC and BJP, both of them are very, very confident. BJP is saying that they are going to get seats around 24 to 30 and the exit polls have given BJP an edge. So they are very happy, they are very confident, that's what they are saying. TMC is saying that they are not going to get less than 25, they are going to go get more than 25. And also Left and Congress Alliance, they are also saying that this time their margin will increase and they might grab 1 or 2 seats. So really all sides confident, and this is the first time where exit polls have shown that BJP has an edge.
India Alliance is working against the India Alliance, but they are all collectively together working against the BJP or acting against the BJP. So similar stories across multiple states. But Bengal, news coming through, ladies and gentlemen, an allegation from the BJP that their counting agent Sandeep Roy was attacked by the Trinamool last evening in Kontai, or that is Kanti, in West Bengal. He's been hospitalized. The Trinamool Congress has denied these charges. Yes, Kamalika. So another incident where the BJP is saying there is intimidation, administrative, cadre, at all aspects.
Yeah, absolutely. And Kathi is a seat where Shubhendu Adhikari's brother, Shomendu Adhikari, is contesting. And yesterday in the evening, this allegation has come from BJP that their counting agent, Shondeep Rai, was attacked and he has been hospitalized. Though the charges have been denied by TMC, but definitely these are the news which are coming, not only in Kathi, in various other places also. This intimidation, like in Jadavpur also in Kolkata, there were some allegations of intimidation. Today is the final day and counting is a very important thing. Both the camps, like we know that TMC has called a special meeting and stated that everybody should concentrate on counting and nobody should fall prey to any instigation by opposition. Same goes for BJP. BJP has also done meeting with their workers and stated that nobody is going